everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Harshita. In case you don't know, I'm currently a second year law student at National Law University Delhi, and this channel is your safe space to feel that there is someone out there who supports you, who, no matter what your results are, who genuinely thinks that you are worthy just because you're a human and you're living. Now, that is some philosophy we'll talk about later, but in today's video, we are going to talk about the CLAT results. CLAT results are out, and a lot of you have contacted me regarding how the paper did not go up to your expectations, how the result was not what you were expecting. So we are going to talk about that, and I don't have any script for this video. I don't have scripts for my YouTube videos because I genuinely want to have a conversation with you guys, in the sense that whatever comes to my heart, I tell you that, because unfortunately a lot of people don't have the best friends or the best family to support them, especially during these times. So I want you to not be harsh on yourself, to be kind to yourself, and realize that these papers do not tell you anything about your worth, and I'll tell you why. Let's get started with the video. My CLAT results came out on 10th December 2023. And so 10th December was also my A-Lit exam. So I gave my A-Lit exam, I came back, I took a nap, and when I woke up, CLAT results were out. So I was very scared to check the results. So I asked my brother to check my results, and when I saw 1447 on the screen, I froze. I did not know how to react. I was clicking on the refresh button again and again just to realize that please, this is the wrong result. There is something with the results. My rank is better. And 1447 is not a bad rank in general. There is nothing called a good rank or a bad rank that way. It's very subjective, no? If I feel I've done my best, I would expect to go to my dream college, which was NLS. And this is same for you all as well. I know, irrespective of you've scored a 1400 rank or 14,000 rank, you have given your best, and you really wanted the top colleges as well, right? So yeah, and I checked the results, and so I was checking my results and my phone was here, and there were notifications on my phone as to this person has gotten this rank, this person has gotten this rank, then notifications on YouTube, interview of this AIR, interview of that AIR. And just to give you context, I was the person in my friend group who did not get anything through CLAT, like the tier 1 colleges, but my other friends, they did amazing. For example, my best friend got AIR 51. We used to study together all the time. She got NLS. My other friends got NALSAR, NLUJ, like the top colleges, right? And when teachers asked me my rank, I did not have the courage to even pick up my phone and write 1447. So I just switched off my phone then and there, and I was crying and crying. That day, I realized how hard it is to face something like this. How hard it is to see that, no matter how hard you work, the results did not turn out in your favor. And you also see people who have probably not worked that hard according to you get the top ranks. So it feels bad, especially, for example, for my friends, I knew they worked really hard. We used to study together, but there were people who I felt like did not work that hard, but again they got the top colleges as well. So you do feel that. And when you are at such a low point in your life wherein you think that you've done the worst, your mind just starts picking up things as to justify that feeling that this person was able to do good even with less effort, so maybe I am not just smart, or maybe this exam is not for me. I was thinking things like, why did I choose law? And I'm sure that is what is going on in your mind as well. Like, you are also feeling very sad, or you're also feeling ki yaar, मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती है ना यार माइंड में कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरे लिए सब कुछ किया. आई वॉज इन बेस्ट ऑफ द कोचिंग्स. I missed my school because of this. I did so much only to realize that this is going to be the result. It is hard. And that is why I am so proud of you, because I don't understand why we don't teach people, or why we don't talk to people about how hard it is to feel failure, how hard it is to feel something like this. It is hard. And guys, I want to let you know that it is normal and it is human if you feel like crying. It is normal and it is human if you don't feel like talking to people. You don't have to console others right now. You don't have to justify why this is the result right now. If please show this to your parents if they are there. Please try to understand your child. They have given you their best, and an exam does not tell you how much you worked or not. If that would have been the case, my CLAT and ALET results are completely different. Through ALET, I got an AIR 5. Through CLAT, I got AIR 1447. So, which one tells my worth? None of these. And therefore, you cannot think that you are not smart or you did not prepare your best. पता है लास्ट तक किसी का सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं होता. मतलब इफ़ यू थिंक लाइक कि नहीं यार मैंने वो नहीं किया था इसीलिए मेरा ये रिजल्ट आया है, मुझे और ज़्यादा ये करना चाहिए था. सी, having like an accountability check is a different thing, but this is not the time for that. Right now is the time that you have to be kind to yourself. No matter if it was your first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt, it does not matter. I'll tell you something. When I was in 11th class, I gave CLAT just for the sake of it, that I want to see how the exam pressure feels and everything. I got an all India rank of around 2800. After 1 year, I got an all India rank of 1400, like 1447. सो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि मैं एक साल में बस इतना ही कर पाई. लाइक 2800 तो मेरी लास्ट ईयर भी आ गई थी. मैं एक साल में सिर्फ यही कर पाई. वेन आई वॉज नॉट गिविंग माई बेस्ट इन स्कूल, वेन आई वॉज नॉट इवन इन्जॉइंग. मतलब मैंने किया क्या है फिर एक साल में? मुझे तो लगा था मेरा क्लैट हो जाएगा. मैंने तो और एग्ज़ाम के फॉर्म फिल करने का भी नहीं सोचा था. मुझे नहीं पता क्या हो गया है, राइट? सो देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट गो इन योर माइंड, एंड please sit with those feelings, because I am genuinely very honestly telling you, and this is not to flex or anything, this is just to let you know how that 10th December is so important to me. So after my ALET results, I got to know that जो top 20 all India ranks होती है, they are eligible for Aditya Birla scholarship, and it is one of the most prestigious scholarships in the country, and which means I will also be eligible for that. So होता क्या है ना कि there is this CV qualifier, so you have to send in your CV there, and after your CV qualifier, they call certain people who've qualified the CV to Bombay, and there is this interview with like a very prestigious panel. For example, in my interview there was Zia Modi, there was Justice Supreme Court Judge, there was Justice B.N. Shri Krishna, there was Daniel. There were a lot of people there, and this was on my vision board, like I have to get into the scholarship, and I did get that scholarship. I'm so thankful for it. But even then, so after getting the scholarship, we all went to Marine Drive at like 11 p.m. in the night, and we were just sitting there and sinking in the feeling, and that feeling of success felt so because I had tasted how failure looks like. So this time is going to teach you so much about yourself. And as they say, you only realize what is a good day after having a bad day, right? I only realized how happy the ALET result or Aditya Birla scholarship or anything else that I now achieve in law school feels like, because I have tasted how giving your best to something and then not getting it feels like. And trust me, पता है मेरे पापा हमेशा बोलते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट इज स्टक इन माई हेड, इज़ दैट जीतने का सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा तब आता है जब लोग तुम्हारी हार का वेट कर रहे हो. And after my CLAT results, no one even asked me my A-Lit results, because people, of course, did not think that I qualified. I remember in one of my friends' group, I wrote AIR 5, and my friend said, "किसकी आई है?" Because they did not expect, of course. I mean, valid, right? But that is the fun. That is the thrill. When everyone is waiting for you to lose, this is the time when now people are waiting for you to lose in everything. When they are, there are relatives and everyone who genuinely feel nice if you do bad, and that comes from their own insecurities. If you think about it, happy people don't judge. Someone who's built a successful business, do not judge someone who's not able to, because the person who's successful knows how much it takes to go there. And therefore the people, so for example, the people who are with me in my batch, at least most of them know how it feels to give their best to something and then not get it. A lot of people are there who did not get good CLAT ranks but did amazing in A-Lit. And even if, so I wish you all the very best for your A-Lit results, but I want you to know that even in the worst case scenario, you don't qualify A-Lit, you are not missing out on life. And I'll tell you why. This mindset of that एक बार मुझे अच्छा कॉलेज मिल जाए उसके बाद लाइफ सेट है, दिस इज सो रॉन्ग. आई हैव ओनली रियलाइज दिस आफ्टर कमिंग हियर. When you come here, everyone is on the equal benchmark. Everyone starts from the start, of course, except some people who have already like a good background of law or anything, but you get a chance to start from the start. And after that, here is where things get divided. I'll tell you some of the bad things about top law schools. And this is not to console you, but this is to tell you reality of how things work. No matter where you go, things are not all shiny and rainbows here as well. Because people who are here have been good academic achievers and everything, there is a lot of competition here, which is sometimes toxic. Because people here are like, have been like head girls, head boys, all rounders of their schools, you feel like you are behind. And I have talked to so many of my juniors now who feel the same as I used to feel in my first year. So no matter where you go, these things are there, but what matters is what you learn from this. Trust me, you get to know so much about yourself when you face a situation like this, that you are now able to handle things. Even in law school, I'll be very honest with you, there have been so many times where I felt like I've put in so much, but I did not get the desired result. I'll tell you a very recent example. So I got a moot through my first year internal moot selections, and I had given my all to that moot. Like, I was missing classes, I was not sleeping properly. I gave my all to that moot, and we did not even qualify for quarterfinals. On the other hand, then there was this internal mood selection in my college, wherein I had barely put in like the 10% of effort of what I did for that mood, which we didn't qualify even to quarterfinals. And in this mood, I got a really good rank and a really good mood. And this is to tell you that these things are not testament of how much you've worked. Please focus on becoming your best self rather than trying to achieve everything only to realize that what next? Okay, I've achieved this, what next? Oh, I didn't achieve this, I am bad. Like, हमारे ना एकदम ऐसे होता है कि हाँ बस खुद को हर चीज़ के लिए ब्लेम करते रहो कि ठीक है, अगर मुझे मिल गया तो ओके, मिल गया, व्हाट नेक्स्ट? ये भी मिल गया, व्हाट नेक्स्ट? और नहीं मिला तो मैं तो किसी चीज़ के लायक ही नहीं हूँ, आई एम वेरी बैड, आई एम नॉट स्मार्ट इनफ, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, आई एम नॉट दिस इनफ, आई एम नॉट दैट इनफ. We need to be kinder to ourselves. Just because you did not get a good rank in one exam that you gave after 12, that you gave at probably the age of 17, 18, 19-year old, does not mean you are not good enough. It does not make sense. You have your whole life ahead of you, and I know so many people, so many friends of mine who are not in the best colleges but are doing amazing in their lives. And I also know people who are here but they don't feel good here, they don't feel belonged here, they feel like dropping out, they feel like where they have come. And all of this is to tell you that your life is in your hands and you have to be kinder to yourself. I always remind myself of this quote which says, "You carry so much love in your heart, please give some to yourself." And at this point, the bravest thing you can do is to be kind to yourself. And I am genuinely so proud of each of you because it is not easy. And you don't have to make it seem like it's easy. You don't have to not cry. You don't have to be happy and strong in front of everyone. No, you are a human. And feeling vulnerable, feeling sad, feeling like crying is very much a part of being that human. It comes with all those beautiful emotions. Crying is beautiful. And I know you won't understand all these things because you're overwhelmed with the results right now. But trust me, once you now get something, and I know things will only go uphill from here because once you feel like अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, once you feel like अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, and you detach from things, that is when you get things the most. That is when you start getting the things. यार मेरा क्लैट एंड एलिट जर्नी ने ना मुझे एग्ज़ाम से ज़्यादा या और किसी चीज़ से ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा खुद के बारे में सिखाया है. एंड आई एम अ पर्सन हु इज़ लाइक वेरी क्लोज टू द इमोशनल स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ लाइफ. I love reading about it. I love talking about it. And one thing that I've learned the most is how people need to start to be kinder to themselves. Then only can they be kind to others as well. In case you're a parent watching this video, please support your child. This is the time when they need your support the most. If they need space, please give them that. If you are a student watching this video, I am so proud of you, and I'm not saying it for the sake, and we've explained in the video why I am so proud of you, and this is not easy, and you don't have to make it seem like it's easy. And I just want to let you know that please take care of yourself. And also guys, of course, if you want like an LUD vlogs or anything, I would try to make it as well, but more than that, I want you to take care of yourself. If you have any doubts, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. And thank you so much for giving so much love to the previous videos. When I read comments like "this video helped me a lot" or "I cried at this point," it just makes everything feel worth it. Plus I love talking to you guys. Plus I love connecting with people who are in the position that I was once in. And yes, I think that is it. I take your leave now, but I want you to take care of yourself and be kind to yourself. That is it. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye and take care.